To make a note on your Android phone, we'll first swipe up on the home screen to reveal the app drawer, and then locate the Keep Notes app. On most phones, this is pre-installed, but if you don't have it, you can download it from the Google Play Store. In the Keep app, you'll tap the little plus icon on the bottom, and then choose what type of note you'd like to make. Could be text, a list, audio, drawing, or even photos. I'm not going to dive too deep into these because, well, it's a notes app, and everything is pretty self-explanatory. You can write text, add photos or drawings, you can pin important notes, all that good stuff. If you're on a Samsung phone, you'll also have the option to use Samsung's own Notes app. It'll look like this, and as you can see, you can draw cool art here. Or just make regular notes, whatever fits your needs. Samsung likes to add their own set of apps on top of the standard Google apps. So, while most Android phones will default to the Keep Notes app, on Samsung, you have the ability to choose between that or the Samsung Notes app. And there you have it. Go make some notes, click that like button below, and subscribe for more. Thanks all. I'll see you next time.